Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2006 CC paper. And the question is, a system with input x of n and output y of n is given as y of n is equal to sine pi by 6 pi n x of n. The system is, we have to find whether it is linear, stable or invertible. So y of n is equal to sine pi by, 5 pi by 6n into x of n. This is a system. So you see your output is proportional to input with the proportionality constant is this one. So y is equal to kx of n format. So this is the general form of linear equation. So the system is linear. So system is linear. So the option B is wrong. Okay. Then what about stable? You see, when you give some input which is bounded, it is multiplied by one finite number, so output will also be bounded. So what happens? Bounded input produces bounded output. So this is stable system. So it is stable system. Is there any unstable? Yes, this is unstable. So it is wrong. So option must be either A or C. Then we have to find the invertible or not. Okay, let us give some n is equal to 0 here. What is the output we will see? When n is equal to 0, y of 0 is 0. Y of 0 is x of 0, sine 0 is n 0 means sine 0 0. So we don't know from where we have got our input. So we cannot revert back to input. So if n is 0, we get output as 0. So we don't know which one has created this y of 0 is equal to 0. Yes or no? So what we are concluding from this, even if you put n is equal to 6, what will happen? It will become sine 5 pi. Sine 5 pi is 0. So n is equal to 0, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 12. For all n, y of n is y of 0 is equal, y of something is 0. So, but we don't know whether it is coming from n0 or some output is 0. n6 or n12, we don't know. So it is non-invertible system. So the answer is option C. Thank you.